Welcome back, you guys. Today we're going to talk about Hyliion again, and we're going to talk about why it is falling and why I am holding long term now instead of short term. So guys, we all know the CEO, Thomas Healy. He's in a very competitive market with the EV trucking industry. He's competing against Nikola and Tesla, but they're all kind of going at it in different ways. Nikola is hydrogen fuel cells. Tesla is all plug-in electric. But Hyliion, guys, as we know, is fully electric trucks, but they use renewable natural gas to recharge their batteries, which gives them money to expand the trucks that they are building. So guys, we all know Hyliion, and we all expected it to jump after the merger. And unfortunately, that didn't happen. It just started on a downtrend basically. And so, as we know, guys, we really wanted Hyliion to pop off, but I see the CEO, Thomas Healy, doing something different as opposed to when Nikola first came out. So guys, we kind of know how Nikola came out and the stock boomed, like it was just crazy. But I think Thomas Healy isn't like really active for like promoting the stock. So that's kind of why it is what it is right now, because a lot of people don't really know how good and brilliant he actually is. They just kind of see the stock falling and they immediately think it's bad, but they like really don't do any research behind it to see how good the company actually is and how good it can be. But Trevor Milton kind of promoted the stock more than the company in a sense. So that's kind of why we saw Nikola jump up really high and fast after the merger happened. So guys, for my long-term plays, I'm going to hold long-term. I'm going to keep buying more shares. Guys, I really like the stock long-term because they seem really bullish in 2021. You know, guys, it's one thing when you invest in stocks to invest in the company, not just the stock. You know, most people buy the stock because it's going up or whatever. You know, you just don't really like do any research behind it. But it's one thing to buy the company. So that's the way I look at this when I buy this. And I really like Hyliion for future plays. Hyliion seems like a very promising company, guys. With the trucking industry, I really like what they're doing. It almost seems like they will beat out Tesla and Nikola, and I really feel like they're the front runners for this EV trucking industry. I really like what Thomas Healy's doing with this company and how he's going about it. And that's just my thoughts and opinions on this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you guys do have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.